Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best beauty tips and tricks to keep you looking fabulous all day long. Do you find your makeup melting away by midday? It's a common problem, especially during those hot summer months or long, busy days. Stay tuned for the best long-lasting makeup tips. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to ensure your makeup stays put from morning till night. Alright, let's dive into it. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to some pro tips. Step 1. Always begin with a fresh, clean face. Cleansing your skin removes any dirt, oil, and impurities that can interfere with your makeup. Use a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate without making your skin oily. This step is essential because hydrated skin provides a smooth canvas for your makeup. This is crucial for creating a smooth base for your makeup. Think of it as prepping a canvas before painting. Next up, Step 2. Use a primer that suits your skin type. A primer acts as a barrier between your skin and makeup, ensuring longevity. A good primer creates a smooth base and helps makeup stay in place longer. It can also address specific skin concerns like redness or large pores. Choose a mattifying primer for oily skin and a hydrating primer for dry skin. This ensures that your makeup adheres well and looks flawless. Step 3. Opt for long-lasting waterproof makeup products. These are formulated to withstand sweat, humidity, and even tears. Use a long-wear foundation, waterproof mascara, and smudge-proof eyeliner to ensure your look stays fresh all day. These products are your best friends for a lasting look. These products are designed to withstand the test of time. They won't budge, even through the longest days. Now Step 4. Lock everything in with a translucent setting powder, focusing on oily areas. This helps to absorb excess oil and keep your makeup in place. Then, finish with a long-lasting setting spray to seal the deal. A setting spray acts like a shield, protecting your makeup from environmental factors. This combo will help keep your makeup intact and looking flawless. You'll be amazed at how well it holds up. Finally, Step 5. Carry blotting papers and setting spray for touch-ups. These are lifesavers for maintaining your look throughout the day. Blotting papers help absorb excess oil, and a quick mist of setting spray keeps your makeup fresh throughout the day. These quick fixes can make a huge difference. And there you have it. With these tips, you can confidently wear your makeup all day without worrying about it fading or smudging. Follow these steps for makeup that lasts from morning to night. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more beauty tips. We have a lot more in store for you, from skincare routines to makeup tutorials. Now you're ready for an all-day flawless look. Go out there and rock your makeup with confidence.